Alright. Look at this. Crazy, right? Ice everywhere. My mom called Sears one day. She wanted her ice maker fixed. It made some ice, as you see. Then, I guess it just broke or something. At first, we saw a leakage from the little ice service thing. So we called Sears back to get someone back out here. Excuses after excuses. They haven't came yet. It's been 2 days. They're finally coming today. Yes, it has been snowing outside recently, and this is New Jersey. There hasn't been more than 5 inches of snow. So I don't really know what's the problem. We've told them ice is starting to build up everywhere in our freezer. And 2 days later, they're coming. Look at this. Like, this is crazy. Just ice everywhere. So, yeah, if you ever need your ice maker fixed, probably shouldn't go to Sears or call Sears to make the repair. Because if they get it wrong, you'll be waiting days upon days. At least the one in New Jersey, I mean, South New Jersey. This is insane. I'll be making a new video. I mean, let me explain. Like, I don't know if we were supposed to cut the freezer off, cut the refrigerator off. Are they going to pay for the food that goes bad? We have a household to run. There's 3 kids in here. If all this food goes bad, then what? Everyone that's an adult has a fucking job, a 9 to 5. There's 3 kids. We don't have time for bullshit like this. So it was a simple job. Come fix the ice maker. We wanted ice. That's it. Ice. Not a freezer full of ice where I can't even open any door. Can't even close this door. Look at this shit. It's insane.